Hi, Chanel here from Tips and Tricks HQ, and in this tutorial I'll be discussing some frequently asked questions about pending PayPal funds. If you're watching this tutorial, you may in fact have one or a number of pending funds in your PayPal account and you're wondering how these funds can be cleared. I'll be answering a number of questions regarding PayPal funds, so listen along as there is a chance your question will be answered too. If it isn't, feel free to ask us in the comments section below. What is a PayPal e-check? A PayPal e-check is the digital version of a hard copy check. This means that you can send an e-check if you currently don't have the funds for an item or service that you wish to purchase. I have been sent an e-check. When will it clear in my PayPal account? If a customer or friend has sent you an e-check, you can expect to have to wait between 3 and 5 days to receive the money. In some circumstances, e-checks can take 7 days to go through. This means the funds will not be available to you until they have been cleared. Merchants are often advised not to send the item until funds have cleared to ensure they are not out of pocket if the e-check does not go through. How will a PayPal e-check appear in my account? If you have received an e-check, you can expect this transaction to appear as pending or uncleared. Just like a normal check, an e-check can bounce and the funds may never be deposited into your account. You do not have to do anything if you receive an e-check. It will either clear or it won't. If you are a merchant, send the buyer an email letting them know that the goods will be shipped once the check has cleared. I am new to PayPal. Why are the funds in my account still pending? If you're a new PayPal user, some funds may be held for up to 21 days. This is not because you have been singled out by PayPal, but it's their way of ensuring purchases are not out of pocket. Once you build a rapport with PayPal, your funds will be cleared sooner. An established seller will have completed 25 transactions. I sell online tickets. Why are funds still pending in my PayPal account? PayPal often holds funds for longer if they see the company as a high-risk seller. This includes online ticket merchants. PayPal do not want to be out of pocket, so they hold the money to ensure that the customer does not dispute the payment. Again, once a rapport has been developed, funds should be available to these type of merchants sooner. I cancelled a pending payment. What will happen to the money? If you cancel a pending payment, the money will be returned to the buyer. If the money has been cleared, you cannot cancel the payment. You will need to refund the money to the buyer if there is any issues. Otherwise, the buyer may start a dispute to try and get their money back. A payment will continue to be marked as pending until it has expired after the 30-day mark has been cleared and completed or has been void. If you find that the payment you have sent is still pending after some period of time, contact the seller to work out another payment method if funds clearing within an extended time period is a problem. If you are a merchant and you see pending funds, let the customer know that their item will not be shipped until funds have been cleared, or if it becomes a lengthy issue, work out an alternative payment solution by cancelling the pending funds. If you find funds are pending, it is generally because you have received an e-check, you are new to PayPal, or you're a merchant of a high-risk company such as the selling of gift cards or tickets. If you find that the money continues to pend for an extensive period of time, contact PayPal support for further guidance and instructions. If you're interested in PayPal tutorials or website tutorials, please click the subscribe button for our channel. All the best with your pending PayPal funds.